Hi guys, hope everyone's doing really well. Back again with another video for the Newsrun. And yes, that's right, we are doing something sweet again. I know a lot of you wanted me to continue doing savory recipes, but I recently made this and it's such an easy one that I really wanted to share it with you guys. Basically, this is just something that I came up with when I was just thinking of doing like a keto chocolate bar type thing. It is so simple. And if you guys have these ingredients, the really easy ingredients like some nuts, butter, some sweetener, a little bit of chocolate powder, you can make these. They are so delicious, absolutely easy to make, and they're ready in a couple of minutes. Again, they will take you half an hour, but again, like I said last time, most of that time is just you waiting. So you could just put these in the freezer first thing in the morning. As you can see, it takes you like maybe 5 minutes to get everything together. Just put them in the freezer, and by the time you are done with your breakfast, you will have these absolutely delicious chocolate bars, and you can experiment with what you add to them. I just used almonds because I really like that combination, but they work so well with any kind of nut. You can even add sea salt into it because sea salt and chocolate actually goes really well together. So anyway, that was the recipe. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I will speak to you again soon when we do another one of these videos. Please do let me know how you like this one. Take good care of yourselves, and bye.